Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the file explorer is not working. As you can see here, I want to open the file explorer but it is not opening. Even when I try to open it from here, themes, desktop, recycle bin, computer, just take that option now and let me try to open it from here. This is computer, this PC, and it is still not working. You can see here it is broken. And so how to fix this issue? In this video I will show you how to troubleshoot this issue. So step number one, you need to right click on your task bar, then open the task manager, and once you open the task manager, we need to look for here Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer. Just right click on it and restart it. And once you restart it, see if that is working for you or not. But in my case it is still not working, so I need to kill this task now. Just right click and I want to kill this task. Press W and look for Windows Explorer. Now I'm not able to get this option. Now here is the option. If you are getting the option to end this task, then well and good. If not, so let's click on run new task and type here explorer.exe and run the task with admin privileges. Let's click on OK. But still it is not working. So click on run new task here. Then you need to click on CMD. Run this task with admin privileges and hit this command sfc /scan now. This issue seems to be a Windows corruption. Just wait and run it, and after that I will restart it. It did not find any integrity violations. So let me restart it normally now and see if that is able to fix the issue or not. You have to do the same after restarting the Windows. Let's see now. Now let's try. Okay, this is still not working. As you can see here, File Explorer is still not working. So now click on here start menu and let's try to fix this with a new update. Just click on check for update here and let the window download the new Windows, and let's see if that is able to fix the issue or not. If this is also unable to fix our issue, we have to restore our window into working date. Now after waiting for almost 30 to 40 minutes, system has restarted now, and I'm going to restart and update it. Now let's try now. Now you can see my issue has been resolved successfully and it is working fine. Before that, the Google Chrome was also not coming up and it was not launching it, but File Explorer issue has been resolved as you can see here. But if your issue is still not resolved, then you can type here restore, click on create a system restore, and if that is turned on your system, click on system restore, click next, select the latest one, then click on next. It was yesterday, it is made automatically. Just click on finish and click on yes option. Once you click on yes option, your system is going to restore in a previous state and all the issue will be fixed. So these are the fixes to fix the issue, guys. I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.